Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bluesound Pulse SoundBar Plus and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with your soundbar not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if it's not working in any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason is if you're just trying to get this soundbar set up on a new network, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can just go ahead and restore it back to its original factory default settings quite easily. All we need to do is first disconnect the soundbar Plus from the electrical power outlet and just wait for about 10 seconds. Once we do that, we can plug it back in, and then we're going to watch the indicator LED lights, and when it turns red, you can go ahead and touch and hold the play pause button on the touch panel. Once you hit that button, the LED will turn green and then red. Just continue to hold it for about 30 seconds. And after about 30 seconds, the LED will blink red, indicating that the reset's complete. You can go ahead and release the button and then set it up as a new device.